amazing sunshine, amazing sunset, and today we are doing amazing rain. It's very rainy. पूरा फोन गीला हो गया. It's raining, it's storming, everything is happening. Like 5 minutes ago, thundering was happening. I thought it's like 5 in the morning, let's get up, go outside, make a video, dun, 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 dun. If you want to upload at the off speed, then yeah, you will have to also support. Just click the like button in this video. I am the only kid. Like right now, I am the only person who is like roaming in this society with an umbrella, even though it's raining heavily. So I am wet, and my phone is also wet, sadly. And I'm making a video. It's really fatful. So now let's be quiet and let you enjoy the rain. Okay, my phone is getting wet now. Muddy puddle. Now the summers will come. I will remember the winters, and then when the summers will come, and when the winter will come, I will remember the summer. This is my yearly because in summers I feel hot, in winters I feel lazy. Yes, spring is the best season. No rain is the best season for me. Of course, it's time to jump in the muddy puddle. So guys, this was it for today. See you next time on the next video on the next Saturday. We will see should it be Saturday or another day. Okay, now let me back up. Bye guys, have a great time.